In this video, I'll go over some of the basics of Squeaky Clean Sprint. I'll show you a run and explain some of the more technical parts of the track. You always want to go on the sponge. Since it's lap 1, you want to gather as many coins as you can. You want to fight the fan because it kind of pushes you away. As you can see, I take it tighter here. And since it's first lap, you want to go the lower path. Lap 2 and 3 are a little different. Since I have 10 coins, I can perform the Nisk. And instead of going lower path, you trick on this, and you go top path. Charging a UMT. Trick on the faucet. And lap 3 should be similar to lap 2, except for the ending. Try to trick on this little lip here. And instead of a UMT, charge SMT into a right MT for a fast finish. I like to start by drifting off the sink, charging an MT, and tricking on the drain. An MT trick. You can also do this lap 2, but you might not be able to since your speed is higher. Alternatively, you can charge an SMT lap 2. Around this turn, you want to charge an SMT and perform 2 right hops, the last one drifting off the ramp onto the sponge. Release SMT upon landing and immediately drift left and charge UMT while falling in the water. Release UMT in the drain and immediately start a left drift charging another UMT while gathering coins. After releasing the second UMT, drift right over this hump and charge an SMT. Perform 2 left counter hops and a right ramp drift and charge an SMT. The fan will blow you far from your line, but you can fight against it and release SMT sooner rather than later. You want to ramp drift off the glider. You can also take shroom cut here, lap 1. You can take this shroom cut lap 2 and 3. The faster way is to bump the wall a bit, as seen here. Now we get to the fun part, the Nisk. You don't really save much time, but it's very satisfying to execute. To perform this, you want to hold your drift over this lip and get enough air to make it onto the clip that's between the bolt and the ring. You should also be able to charge a UMT at the end. Even if you take it tight, as long as you hit the clip, you can go over the bolt. Here I missed the clip and got stuck on the bolt. And here I went a bit too wide and hit the ring. As you can see, this may break your race. Practicing the feel of the underwater mechanics can help you learn how to adjust your movement. I would only go for this if you're front running and feel confident that you can make it. You can also do the fast trick on the slip, so instead of getting air, you stay flat on the track. On the ending of lap 2, make sure you charge a UMT and trick on the faucet going into lap 3. On the ending of lap 3, charge an SMT, then right drift off the glider with an MT for a faster finish. As you can see, this track has wonky physics, but it's so fun to drive.